Good morning all. We're going to do an analysis on two of the crosses that I'm watching right now, which is USDCAD and EURAUD. Okay, chart is a bit messy. We're on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, and what's happened, in fact, let's go to the daily quickly, pull this up. Okay, now price has been bullish, has been going up. We're not been coming up impulsive. This here impulsive, so could have labeled it a 1 or an A. Down here, a 2 or a B, and then as we've come up, we had a 1, 2, potentially 1, 2, 3, and then we've come back into the price territory of 1. Okay, if this was a 1, if it was a 1, 2, right, you could have gone with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but your 2 wave is considerably longer in time and price than your 4th wave, which usually is not the case. So you can't say definitely it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 3, but it counts better as an A, B, C. Now, if we do go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the 3, making that a 1, 2, 3, then we came back into the price territory. No, we haven't. Then that would mean we can't touch this area here. Okay. On top of that, you've got the 618 fib as well, which clearly hasn't touched. But to me, it counts better as an ABC, so I'm going with the ABC. Okay, this clearly looks like a 1, 2, 3 wave. Okay, from here, A, B, C. We've come back into the prior B wave of the last ABC, which is our demand zone. And inside of our demand zone, we've started to accumulate on the smaller time frames, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, from the top, we can see all of this is corrective. Okay, you don't see a 1, 2, a 3, 4. Okay, this is all pretty choppy, and I've got an A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, even the A, I think it's a flat. But anyway, from the demand zone, we'll go to the 1 hour time frame now. Okay, I had a completed 5 wave move in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going up after grabbing liquidity below this low here, inside the demand zone, hence why I'm in buy positions for EURAUD. Okay, now we've got this gap right up here, that's my target, but at the same time I am expecting price at some point to pull back. I mean, it could just keep going, but if we do say break this structure here and get a pull back, I may add to my position at that point. I'm just going to put on the EMA so you can see we're approaching the 50 EMA. Okay, upon breaking above the 50 EMA, now if we just burst through the 50 EMA like this, then I'm expecting shallow pullbacks before continuation higher. If we come up here and we do some kind of trap move down like that, maybe we get to that OB, I don't know. Maybe we stop here, I don't know, but I'm then looking for price to go higher. So that's EURAUD. Now ends USD CAD. Let's go to the daily quickly. All right. The reason why I have this fib, in fact, let me explain the daily. One thing I did not mention, sorry, over here. We came out of this channel. Okay, so another thing, 1, 2, you would say 3 is on the way, right? That's what that would look like when we break the channel and we came up and burst through the channel. that usually give you threes on the way. Okay, now we've come back into the channel, and obviously if we break up above the channel and sustain, then we're looking to take these highs or come to some very high area of supply. Just another 2 cents. This channel now, this is more like an ABC than even the EURAUD, because we did not break out the channel. Okay, you could say, look, you could have said that, could have said 1, 2, or even 1, 2, come out the channel, but it came right back to the end of the channel. Pulls up, pokes out the channel, pulls out, pokes out the channel, pulls up, pokes outside the channel. Ultimately, the reason why I'm in a, well, not in a buy, but I'm looking for a buy here, is just to get to one of these supply zones, because this could turn around after that and go to the downside. But we are on the daily, okay, and I'm looking for intraday plays. So there we go, approaching the first TP, sorry, EURAUD's first TP coming up. I will try and get my videos a bit more organized here, but you can see we're taking over that 50 MA. Let me just take something off. Okay. So I need to be observant about what's happening around this 50 MA for EURAUD. Now back to USD CAD. USD CAD, if I just put on the indicators quickly.
Power off.
We didn't reach, or we got to the zone of the 50 EMA, okay, and the 200 EMA on the daily, and we've pulled back. I'm thinking this is a 1 or an A, okay, because after this move down here, which again I'm going for corrective, okay, A, B, and C. Let me just quickly mark that up. I'm going for corrective. If this was a 1, 2, 3, then we've got what, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then what is this? If we got 1, 2, 1, 2, or you can call it all 1, then 2. You'd have to call this also 1 and then 2, because it came back into the price territory. Then you could say all of this was 3. Okay. If we touch that 618, then that will invalidate it. But 1, 2, 3, 4. I just don't like this bit. When we got the 1, 2, I don't want to count that as also a 1, 2 for 2 reasons. Firstly, the second 1, 2 is larger than the first 1, 2. If that's supposed to be a lower degree count, I would expect it to be shorter in price and time. It's shorter in time, but not in price. Also, if that's 1, 2, 1, 2, we'd get 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, which could be happening. It could be happening, but this, to me, is corrective. I can't actually tell you, other than this, there was another reason. We'll probably see it on the smaller time frames. There's something to do with the count in here. But on the daily, the count, if we wanted to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a 3, this could be a 4, 4 this. That's it. Also this. The 2 wave here, 1, 2, 4 wave here, 1.5, 4 smaller again. Anyway, so let's just say here we have a potential of a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We have that potential, but I'm looking for a 1, 2, 3, or at least a move that's going to get us here. We got unmitigated supply zone that left an imbalance and a fair value gap. Okay, heading down to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the 4-hour is outside the volatility band. Okay, I'm not favoring much further down for the 4. This order block, yep, that's fine with me. So now look, if I scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this counts perfect as an impulse. If in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. So I want to pull my fib from this too. Actually, it would be this one. So I'd expect this low to go, not to touch the 618, and then continuation. Actually, sorry, what am I talking about? If this is a completed 1, then I'm looking for a 2 wave here. So I'm looking for, potentially this is an A and an A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C, and A. Maybe A, B, C, something like that, and B, C, and then continuation higher. That would be the easier, safer trade, but I'd look for an accumulation in this range. Okay, so that's my sorry, on top of that, 1-hour time frame. We're at the 50 EMA. We're at the 50 EMA, or just gone below it, and this here might be forming the ending diagonal, and so if we should see bullish divergence here as this gets lower after it's taken out this low, we still may, preferably we reach the older block. That's preferably where I want to look for buys. But yeah, I'm waiting to see if we can get an ending diagonal, some basically a falling wedge or price action that just moves down choppy overlappy like this, whilst we're getting bullish divergence here. Then that for me is another buy. So USD CAD, looking at this area for buys, same thing, looking for continuation buys. See, it looks like we're just ripping through that 50 EMA. Continuation buys on Euro AUD. I'll be back with the major USD pairs shortly. Trade safe and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.